Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And as usual, I am joined by my husband, Rick.
Hey there.
Hi.
How's it going?
Not bad, how are you?
It's good. Another tasty looking treat in front of me here.
Yes indeed, but before we go digging in there, tell me about your shirt.
A new shirt today. This one, I actually designed this one. I actually came up with the concept putting Eddie's red and white and black stripes on there. And probably my all-time favorite picture of Eddie in pose playing from probably about the late 70s, early 80s. It's got his autograph on it and the original Van Halen logo. Because October 6th is the 1-year anniversary of his passing.
Right.
So for all the Van Halen fans out there, it's a sad day. So
Indeed.
And for the Van Halen family as well, obviously.
Right.
So all right, what do we got cracking here today?
So today, because fall is in full swing, so it feels like, I've got some pumpkin spice latte cookies.
And you know what's funny? You say when fall is kicked in. I was watching the news the other day, and the weather forecaster here in Vancouver was saying that apparently I think it was like the fourth wettest September on record.
Seriously?
Yeah, and you know what's funny? Because it didn't really seem like it. It seemed like we weren't getting any. There was a few days though where we had the Monsapis, as I like to call them, came storming through. We went from like super dry all summer. There were drought conditions into it was like the fourth wettest on record. It was I want to say 150 millimeters of rain or something, and typically we get like 57. So
all right,
fall time.
it is.
My gills are growing back, the webbing between my fingers and toes rather. Anyways, let's get into this. So you want to try is it the coffee we're trying, or is that just our regular, what are we running for coffee here?
Well, just experimenting again, tasting, reviewing other coffees. This is a Nicaraguan, and I can't remember how many other Nicaraguans we've tried. So it's a single origin, and I got it from Islands Cafe is the company.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, which I thought was kind of interesting because I thought they just dealt with Hawaiian
coffee. Yeah, it must be new for them.
But on the label it said Nicaraguan. Okay.
All right.
Do you want to have a quick little taste?
You go ahead. So now this is a medium roast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bright?
I wouldn't call it bright. It's not dark. As you just said, it was medium. But it's...
Did I miss something?
No, I'm just getting too tired. You pushed me too far today. Way too far.
I pushed you too. Yeah.
It's really late, and
it is. What time is it? Do we even know?
It's like 9:30 or something.
Oh my goodness! It is 9:30 on Sunday night.
9:28.
But you know what? I still have to edit this one as well as your cooking of the baking of the cookies. I have to edit that to get it all compiled for tomorrow morning.
Well, on with tasting the cookies.
I should probably have a little sip of coffee. Keep me going.
So it has a real milk chocolate kind of.
Here she goes again.
It's nice. It has more of just a coffee sort of, not tons of different notes and stuff. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good. I still don't get like the milk chocolate thing that you're picking up on. I don't get that. But
it just reminds me of just kind of. It's actually quite nice.
That's actually good. But again, you know what? When you go back to the medium roast, you're going to get a lot more of the, as I say, flavor notes pop to me more so than in the darker. All right, dig in.
Well, I tried to make these crispy because I can never win with this guy. Last week, we did apparently his all-time favorite cookie, which is the Hermit cookie. They're soft and cakey. And then I make these chocolate chip cookies for him and they're crispy crunchy. And he's like, he only likes his cookies crispy crunchy. And then he tells me his hermit cookies are his favorite.
Gotta keep her on her toes, folks.
So it is a little crispy.
It's good. You taste that pumpkin in there.
There's crunch. I wanted them crispy because they are great.
Oh goodness, here you go. You guys missed it last week when she threw her hermit cookie in the coffee cup as it fell out of her hand. Whap. Yeah, no, these are really good.
Super, super. This is dipped in your coffee. And black coffee's good enough.
Yeah. Wow.
It's amazing.
Yep, good crunch. Good job. You passed.
You can taste the pumpkin spice in there.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
You can taste the coffee in there. I put
A little bit.
almost 3 teaspoons of instant.
It's good. I like it.
It's very good. I'm pretty proud of myself.
If you do say so yourself. Awesome job. Well,
Thank you.
The recipe will be linked in the description below. And we will be putting over on the Kitchen Shop Online website, or sorry, YouTube channel rather. We're going to be putting the tutorial, how she does this. And I love those quick, we call them the recipe dash. And they're just like a 60-second video. Boom, 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 all high speed. And then your recipe, it works really well. So, all right. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. And give this video a like, please. Give it a thumbs up. We're growing. We're doing well. Things are coming along. And if you can click the subscribe button and that little reminder bell, we'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to
visit our store. Grounds for Divorce Coffee. Store. Something was stuck in my throat. Give me a break. Grounds for
what did that have to do with it?
Coffee.ca. Did I get that right?
You tell me, you're only co-owner of the store.
And Grounds for Divorce Coffee.store if you're outside of Canada.
Yeah. Oh, I'll put the link here for you guys. Thank you so much, and thank you, and we will see you next week. Take care.
Ciao, ciao.